Part 2 from the weather deck. You can see, I'm going to pan around and watch this rain now. It's coming down in sheets. I mean, it's just sheets coming down right now. You can hear it beating around behind me. We're looking up over the Conley's fence right there, and you can see there's a bright spot right above their house, but you know what? It is dark out here, and it's very comfortable. So, the rain is just coming down. Hopefully it'll wash a few things away out of the air, and we may even hear some thunder and lightning rolling in the background right there. And once again, look at the sheets of rain coming. It's pretty awesome, folks. Gotta love it. This is something only God can create and God can do. Weather like this. Beautiful. Did you hear that? That is rolling thunder. Rolling thunder. Bob Garvey, WREG on the weather deck in Salem.